This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Sammy, what's going on here? My makeup!
Don't worry, we left some for you.
It's all messed up. You gotta fix it, guys.
No worries, Sue. I've got a backup plan.
I hope your backup plan works, Sammy.
Plan B, Plan C, Plan D. That's not what we need.
New makeup.
Huh? You're right. We'll make new makeup for Sue from Play-Doh.
I'm not sure I like this plan.
It's genius, Sue. You're gonna love it. Guys, stay with us to see the result.
Are you really going to turn this into makeup?
And it'll be the best makeup you've ever had. We'll also cover it with glitter. I know you love shiny stuff.
I actually do. But how are we gonna do it?
First, spill out some of the glitter on the table. Come on, just like this. The more the better, Sue.
Got it. I hope your idea works out, Sammy. Wow, it's so satisfying to watch. Plus, I love the color.
That's because I picked it. But be careful with the glitter. Guys, if you accidentally spill the glitter, it'll be super tricky to clean.
What's this, Sammy?
This is the most important part of our craft. Ugh, why is it so heavy? Be careful with it, Sue. Don't drop it, it's glass. I trust you'll handle it well.
I see! We'll use it to roll the dough out. That's very convenient. I wonder what it's going to be. Sammy's keeping it a secret. Could it be blush?
I want to be the first to try it, Sue. My cheeks look so pale.
Pale? I'd say you look pretty vibrant. Maybe too vibrant.
Sue, I found a broom for spreading glitter evenly. Haha! Shiver me cheaters! We make the best team! Just a bit more! Now it looks much better!
So now we're cutting out the makeup base? I bet it's not gonna be a lipstick.
You're right! We're making something totally different!
But if it's not a lipstick, then what is it?
I know. It's gonna be an eyeshadow palette.
Bingo, Sue! You got it right! This is what we're making!
Wow, Sue. But how did you figure it out?
That's my crafter instinct. Plus, I know Sam and his great ideas.
If you know me so well, Sue, try to guess what I'm thinking about.
I think I can do it. Are you thinking about sweets?
Whoa, how did you guess?
It's a secret. Now, Sammy, what am I thinking about?
Are you thinking about candy too?
Are you thinking about school?
No, guys. About how lucky I am to have you.
Aw, Sue. That's so sweet of you. I'll share a life hack in return.
Your life hack is glue?
Not the glue itself. The cap is the key. Try it.
Ah, that's what you mean. It works. This is an amazing idea.
Not to brag, but I get lots of cool ideas.
I can't argue with that. Now we'll fix these two parts together.
Sue, it's not shiny enough. Time for our secret technology.
Wow, look at these colors. They match perfectly. Our palette is literally glowing.
Don't forget, we need to fill this palette. Michael!
It's all under control. The goods are here.
Let me see. Good job, guys. But aren't they too big for the palette? I gotta fix the size.
That was a smart move, Sue. It's like you read my mind.
You got me. Anyway, let's fill in these holes. Pink eyeshadow. Sam's gonna love this one.
Who knew driving a truck could be this fun?
up, Sammy. It's part of our craft.
This wouldn't stick. How will you use it?
You'll see. I just need to upgrade it a bit. Let's break it in the middle, like this.
We need this to put the palette together.
That's right, Sammy. It's a very effective method, you know.
So, we done with the palette? Huh?
Are you sure that's all? How about these pieces?
Oops, you're right. I almost forgot about these finishing touches. Now it's complete. What do you think, Sammy?
I love the way you decorated it. So cute! Now we can finally move on to the next product. Stay with us to find out what it is. Sue, we've got eyeshadows. How about making a lipstick next?
Right, that's exactly what we need.
This is why I prepared this.
Good job, Sammy. Let's just add some glitter.
Sue, I'm choosing a color for the lipstick tube. Which one do you like more?
How about purple? Or is the pink shade better?
I see. I'll keep both.
2 colors? Why limit yourself? How about 5?
5? I like the way you think. But that's a lot of work. Sue, you can use these colors. I don't mind. I've got something else to do. 5 lipsticks. How do we handle such a task?
Wow, this color is awesome. A bit of glitter won't hurt. I think magic can help us here.
Wow, Sue, that was straight on point. Now look at what I've made. They're so sparkling.
Great! Our first lipstick is ready. What do you think, friends? Now we can put together the rest of them. Let's start with this color. Lovely combo. Gotta fix these parts together. I'll make a yellow tube for this bright pink lipstick. We need one more color to make it even more fun. Wow, this lipstick looks amazing. Wow, what a collection. Where did these come from? It's a mystery. I love the choice of colors.
I'm glad you appreciated my help.
Oh, so it was you who made those lipsticks. Thanks, Sammy. And I'm making the next item. Do you know what we're making, friends?
Whatever it is, don't forget about glitter!
No worries, Sammy. Extra glow is my thing.
Awesome! How about the result of my work?
Perfect match! A bottle of nail polish is ready. Oh, and one more thing.
Is it finished now? Ah, I see. Great idea. It looks amazing. What if you want another color? We need more choices.
You're right, Sammy. Let's get more options.
Ta-da! Look at this, guys! I really like this color. And you? Sue, you really outdid yourself! Let's move on! We're done with this part. What kind of makeup are we making next? Have you ever dreamed about stars, Sue? I have, but I don't know how to get closer to them.
I've got an idea. We can mix stars and our craft. I'll roll out this purple piece of clay. It looks just like the night sky. Now we'll cut out a star.
Am I floating in space? My dream has come true, Sue!
Yes, this color reminds me of the cosmos too.
Sue, help! I just wanted to help you, but got trapped! Phew, way better.
That's just what I needed. Thanks, Sammy. We need it to shine, so I'll add some glitter.
Are you gonna upgrade it? But it's already perfect.
Give it a chance. We'll see if it can get even prettier.
Wow, you're right, Sue! It looks amazing.
It's gonna be a great decoration for our new makeup kit. Now the bronzer. Just like I dreamed.
It looks like a piece of art, Sue, or a dessert.
I'm glad you like it, Sammy. We're done, friends. Let's take a closer look at everything we made.
Anyone would love to have a collection like this, Sue.
Yeah, I've never had such amazing makeup.
Time for you to get ready for the party. A great chance to test this makeup. Guys, thanks for being with us today. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.
We've got many other cool videos with colorful crafts. Bye-bye. See you soon.
Hey, where are you going, guys? Has anyone seen Makeup Remover?
Are you okay, Fiona?
Yes, Lady Fiona's a bit under the weather, but I was talking about something else. We might have to cancel the Sandcastle Festival today!
But why? Everyone looks... What was that?
That's just it! We don't know, and people are too frightened to leave their homes.
What can I say, Princess? Not everyone is as brave as me. I was just testing the strength of this curtain. Yep, very sturdy. Good to know.
We have to find out what's out there.
At your service, princess.
Perfect. You go, Truman, and I'll stay behind and guard the castle. Lots to guard around here.
You mean like curtains?
Countess Elizabeth, stay here too, and take care of Lady Fiona. Truman, it's up to us.
What do you think it is, Billy?
I don't know, but it's big. Look.
What kind of monster do you think it is, Princess Antoinette?
Oh, a big, ferocious one, Princess Marie. The kind that probably eats a person in one bite.
Tell our viewers, how in the world can Princess Billy protect her kingdom against that?
She can't. We're doomed, big time.
Don't pay any attention. You know those two like to exaggerate.
We need to figure out what we're dealing with. Wait, I know who can help.
To-do list for today. 1. Write Grandma and thank her thankfully for the book on magical grammar. 2. Write grocery list. Oh! Come in.
Ed, sorry to interrupt, but there's a great big sound in the kingdom that we can't quite figure out.
Can you help us?
Of course I can help, Princess. Now, if I could only remember... here it is. Noise in the air. Show me a spin to be fair. Now, just spin the wheel until you hear the sound. Easy peasy.
Definitely not a duck.
Definitely not a blue whale.
Try again.
A dragon! We better not tell anyone. This would cause a real panic in the kingdom.
That is very wisely wise, Princess.
Breaking news! The creature set loose in the kingdom is a great big dragon! Thank you for bravely agreeing to appear, Panda. Now tell us, just how big is this dragon?
Oh, how about as big as, a house. A really big house that flaps its arms.
Whoa, so what you're saying is Princess Billy can't defend her kingdom or keep her subjects safe.
Did I say that? I mean, yes, exactly. No one is safe. Run!
That's it. We don't need to hear any more. Have no fear. Nothing is going to get through these doors, I guarantee.
Is now a good time for a hug?
I don't have a choice. I have to defend my kingdom. Truman, I won't blame you if you want to turn back.
Are you kidding? I'm not going anywhere.
There it is! It seems to be looking for something. Whoa! Scorch! Phew! What are you doing here?
I heard you were dealing with a dragon, and I figured you could use my expertise. Being a dragon myself,
Thank you! We need all the help we can get. So, what's your idea?
I thought you'd have one, and that I would tell you what I thought.
What's in the bag?
Only the best dragon snack ever. Once you start, you can't stop. Try them!
No, thank you. But I think I know someone else who might like one. Now all we have to do is pull this lever, and the dragon snacks will go flying way over there.
And the dragon falls going far, far away. Great plan, Billy.
Great! It's amazing!
Oh no! The snacks are flying towards the castle!
A bag of dragon snacks just hit. And now the dragon is eating the snacks.
We have to get the dragon away from the castle!
But how? We're too small to scare it off.
Then we become bigger!
Oh?
Come on, let's try, Truman.
It worked! It's scared of us. Let's go even bigger and scarier.
Oh, wait! The dragon's really afraid, and so are we.
So?
So, we have something in common, and maybe we can understand each other. Stay here.
Oh, you scared me.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. But do you know you're scaring me and everyone else in the kingdom?
I am? Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't mean to. You see, I'm very upset. I was making a big cozy nest for my egg. So I went out to gather some twigs and leaves. When I came back, my egg was gone.
Oh.
That's terrible. What could have happened to it?
Wait a second. Your egg wouldn't happen to be pink, would it?
Why, it's Princess Billy. Shouldn't you be off chasing a big, scary dragon?
You mean that big, scary dragon? You don't have to be afraid, but I think you have something that belongs to her. An egg, like that one.
But you know if we find something that's pink, it's ours.
Yeah, finders keepers, losers weepers.
Oh, it's even better than a sandcastle festival. From now on this date, we'll have a dragon flying festival.
Nice job, Princess.
Well done, Princess. We're so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magic-y.
So, Billy, still scared of the hamster?
Are you kidding? We're best friends. I just had to get to know him.
Huh? Oh, can we hold him?
I'm not sure. He only likes people who take care of him. Fine, go ahead. He also likes to be scratched under his chin.